So without further ado, let me introduce you to the Lux Electrostatic Backpack Sprayer powered by InCharged. And is Lux short for luxury? I don't know, but either way I feel a little underdressed. Hang on a second. That's better. Welcome to the Finer Things Club. Now a little bit about this machine. As I mentioned, it's electrostatic, meaning that it positively charges the chemical solution on the inside. And as it sprays, it has the ability to wrap around surfaces to get better coverage for disinfecting quickly and easily. All right, so I'm going to show you how to take this thing from the box, get it set up and ready to spray and disinfect. Let me get rid of this stupid hat. All right, a couple of steps here to get set up. So easy, a guy wearing a turtleneck can do it. You're going to take this rubber gasket and you're going to place it right on the tip that's in there. I don't know if you could see. I've already done it. You can see the green in there. Place it right in the crosshairs and push it on. So the next step, you have a decision to make, but I'll make the decision real easy for you. It comes with a metal tip and a red tip. They recommend using the metal tip for disinfecting, so we're going to put the red one away here. And you're going to take that, which is nice. It's got some weight to it. Nice piece here. You're going to take this metal tip and you're going to screw it in over the gasket on the threaded little knob that's in there. We're good to go. Next, we're going to take this collar here, little cylinder, and we're going to screw this over top of the tip to protect it. Next, we're going to take this protector here, and we're going to screw this in on the back of the sprayer. And this is our tank filter and lid here. Goes right on top of the backpack tank portion of it and screws on. Next, you're going to open up this latch here on the front of the backpack, and you're going to slide in your battery and connect your black for negative, red for positive. You're going to get 2.5 hours of runtime on this machine and a 90-minute charge with this charger right here, which the machine comes with. And that's it. You're good to go. Now, how this thing operates is you're going to fill up the tank here with your favorite diluted disinfectant. And there's 3 switches involved with this machine. There is the on switch over here to activate electrostatic. And there's 2 on the sprayer head itself. This one operates the blower, and this one operates the spray mechanism. Now, of course, whenever dealing with disinfectants, and I'm dealing with water right now, but when you're dealing with disinfectants, make sure that you're wearing the proper PPE, gloves and masks. Now, what sets this machine apart is this blower mechanism, because it has the ability to spray the mist out to 9 feet, so you're able to cover more area quickly. That's our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Strap up. Happy disinfecting.